In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable HD video on Zoom. Whether you're using Zoom for work meetings, online classes, or just catching up with friends, enhancing the video quality can significantly improve your overall experience. So, let's dive in and get started on making your Zoom calls crystal clear. First, you'll want to start by opening your Zoom desktop application. It's important to make sure that you're using the app itself rather than a web browser, as some settings are only accessible through the desktop application. Once you have Zoom open, navigate to the home screen where you typically start or join meetings. Next, what you're going to do is locate the small gear icon in the top right corner of the application. This icon represents settings and will allow us to adjust various preferences, including video quality. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, a settings window will appear, offering a variety of options to customize your Zoom experience. Look for an option labeled Video on the left-hand side of the settings window. Clicking on Video will take you to the Video Settings page, where you can see a preview of your camera feed and make adjustments. This section provides controls for several video options, but today we'll focus on enabling HD video. In the video settings, you'll notice there's a checkbox labeled Enable HD. You will want to ensure that this box is checked. HD stands for High Definition, which means your video will be higher quality, offering clearer and sharper visuals. Enabling HD might require more bandwidth, so it's a good idea to ensure that your internet connection can handle it without causing interruptions. If you're experiencing a slow internet connection or your video feed starts to lag significantly, consider whether the increase in video quality is worth the trade-off for a potentially choppy feed. It's always a good balance to strike between video clarity and call stability, depending on your current internet capabilities. Finally, after you've checked the Enable HD option, you can close the settings window. This change should take effect instantly, and you won't need to restart the application. From now on, when you start or join Zoom meetings, your video will be set to stream in high definition, giving you a much sharper image quality. And that's it. You've successfully enabled HD video on Zoom. This straightforward adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you're presenting or participating in meetings where visual detail is crucial. Be sure to keep your Zoom client updated, as software updates might add new features or improvements that could enhance your video conferencing experience even further. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy clearer and more vibrant video calls from now on.